Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to cover the last topic of ES6 ternary operators. I hope you have covered all the previous videos on the ES6. So this ternary operator is going to be very helpful in your writing the JS code in ES using the ES6 on React JS. So in this session you are going to learn how to use ternary operators, and in this video I will show you how to use them with the conditional expressions as well as. So let's start coding on this. So ternary operators are very user friendly and you'll have fun in writing this. So let's assume I have authenticated variable is true. So if I write a code valid is equal to authenticated. So in normal if else what we do, if condition is true otherwise else, or in nested if condition is true it will check else if, then it will tell else if and the last else. But here uh, this is the expression. If it is true, then I will say valid user. Else, this is the condition. If it is not true, then it will say invalid user, right? So let's check out the on response what we get. So here you can see it's a valid user because authenticated is true, and it's if it is true, it would pass this. So let's make it what, let's say user age is 20, and I will write the code here. If age is greater than equal to 18, then user is valid, otherwise not. So in this case, user is valid. So this is the expression. We can write the expressions as well as. So in this case, you can see age is 20. It's greater than equal to 18. So the user is valid. But if I say user is 13-year-old, then what we'll get? We'll get the invalid user. So this is how ternary operators are working, and they are very user friendly and very much usable operators in the React JS. So I hope you enjoy all the session on ES6, and you have learned a lot of things from these sessions. And if you have any questions, any queries, you can reach out to me. In the next coming videos, I'm going to show you how Reacts work, how we can create customized components on React, and how a JSX is working. And we'll start doing the sessions on React. So thank you very much. Have a good day, guys.